Welcome to your feature presentation.
Ooh, the movie's starting.
We'd like to remind you to please turn off your cell phones and pages for the duration of the movie.
Cell phone on, pager on, second cell phone on, light bright on.
Please refrain from talking or having conversations during the movie.
Yeah, I'm at the movies. Could I get a large pepperoni deep dish pizza and Abe Lincoln dies at the end?
Please do not chew loudly.
I love popcorn.
Please refrain from texting, tweeting, or updating your Facebook status for the duration of the movie.
I'm at the movies, just farted, hashtag I love being at the movies and farting.
Please refrain from pirating the movie.
I will treasure this forever.
Seriously, please refrain from pirating this movie. Like, for reals. What is with this douche nozzle? I guess it's time for Plan B. I'm gonna take a smoke break and eat this chocolate gun.